In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now, first things first, you have to turn off the device. So simply turn off your device. And then once the device is off, all you have to do is press the the power button and the volume up button together until you see the Mi logo. And then once you see the Mi logo, all you have to do is release the power button, but keep pressing the volume up button to access the recovery mode. So press the power button and the volume up button together until you see the Mi logo, and then release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. Now this will take you to the Xiaomi HyperOS recovery mode or recovery menu. And then from here, use the volume up and the volume down button to scroll through. And to hard reset your device, simply select wipe data, tap on it. And then all you have to do is scroll down and select wipe all data. Select that. And then you should see this warning, confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Simply tap on confirm, and that will hard reset your device. Now, once the completion is done, all you have to do is select back to main menu, and then scroll back on top and select reboot device. Select that, and then choose reboot to system, and you'll have successfully hard reset your device. Now give it a few seconds for it to boot up, and then now you have to go through the first time setup so that you can set up your device all again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.